Now where is G sound? Circle on it. Very good, Pratik. Where is A sound? Circle on it. Where is D sound? Circle on it. Where is Qua sound? Circle on it. Very nice. Very good. Naya, where is R sound? Circle on it. Very good. Very. Circle on it. Circle on it. Very nice. Very good, Shaurya. Piyu, where is R sound? Circle on it. Very good. Tell me where is G sound? Circle on it. Very good. Very nice. Where is P sound, Takshit? Yes, circle on it. Very good. Shanaya, tell me L sound. Where is L sound? Very good. Circle on it. Very nice. Very good. And tell me where is Qua sound? Circle on it. Very good. Yansh, tell me where is R sound? Circle on it. Very nice. Wonderful. Izan, tell me where is O sound? Circle on it. Very nice. Wonderful. Where is J sound? Abhimanyu, tell me. Circle on it. Very nice. Very good. Tell me where is A sound? Circle on it. Yes. Very good. Very nice. Wonderful. All of. Tell me where is A sound? Circle on it. Very good, Divij. Very nice. This A sound. A. Yes, very good. Very nice, Dash.